Here we are, the dawn of a new day, and the stigma still exists. For 1 in 5 Canadians, each new day is met with anxiety, depression, or even worse. But maybe it doesn't have to be so hard. There isn't a handbook for dealing with mental health. There isn't a switch to turn it off. It's part of being human. It's part of who 7.2 million Canadians are, but it doesn't have to define them. Given all the barriers we've broken down, all the positive steps we've taken and hope we've instilled,
Hi, looking good for you.
there's still work to be done. Strive for more focus on awareness, push to encourage empathy and understanding, and challenge our thinking while altering our attitudes and behaviors. If one person can make a positive impact, imagine what thousands of us can do. Let's help others to believe in themselves and to find emotional well-being. It can be done with something as simple as a conversation. This year, get loud, speak freely, put your hands and your hearts together, and let's make some noise for mental health.